Welding is a process with high demands of precision. The Danish manufacturer of wood-burning stoves, Krogh Iversen, has used welding robots for many years. The latest addition is the robot station with the new IRB 1600 and the MIG 500 welding equipment from ABB. The IRB 1600 is a versatile, high-performance robot and has been developed to meet the demands of flexibility and cost-optimal duty in a wide range of applications. Here at Krogh Iversen, the IRB 1600 robot has been programmed to weld 6 different models of wood-burning stoves. The dual-station layout makes it possible for the robot to produce while another workpiece is loaded and unloaded on the opposite side, still being served only by one operator. Thanks to this station layout and the efficiency of the IRB 1600 robot, the arc time efficiency is as high as 75% of the operation time. The workstation is designed for maximum ergonomics. There are no needs for heavy lifts by the operator, since the system can easily be individually adjusted. Each model has its own program, and shifting from welding one product to another is easy and quick done. The operator is managing both the welding process and all motion tasks from the flex pendant, which is the operator programming unit connected to the IRC5 controller. With its new and improved graphical user display, the IRC5 and the dedicated MIG 500 process interface is seen to be very user-friendly. As an integrated part of the workstation, the MIG 500 welding equipment supplies all the power needed. MIG 500 uses digital communication to give fast and accurate control of the welding process. The IRB 1600 operates with high accuracy and position repeatability. The welding station is also equipped with ABB Torch Service Center, including bullseye for automatic welding torch calibration, as well as torch cleaning and wire cutting. The company Krogh Iversen has been using ABB robots for a long period of time. They have just installed the IRB 1600 and are already planning on ordering one more.